The sound we're going to practice in this video is the sound eh. Repeat after me. Eh. 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 Eh in ask. Again, ask. Ant. Again, ant. Am. Again, am. Action. Again, action. And. Again, and. After. Again, after. Animal. Again, animal. Actually. Again, actually. Attitude. Again, attitude. What other words have the initial sound eh? Eh in grade. Again, grade. Bake. Again, bake. Shake. Again, shake. Game. Again, game. Flame. Again, flame. Plate. Again, plate. Paste. Again, paste. Waste. Again, waste. Grapes. Again, grapes. What other words have the middle sound eh? Eh in algae. Again, algae. Sunday. Again, Sunday. Alumni. Again, alumni. What other words have the final sound eh? Now let's practice phrases with these sounds. Ready? After class. Again, after class. Grade school. Again, grade school. Animal sound. Again, animal sound. Apple pie. Again, apple pie. Asking to join. Again, asking to join. Now let's practice sentences with these sounds. Ready? We wanted to get good grade in school. Again, we wanted to get good grade in school. I hear an animal sound. Again, I hear an animal sound. Apple pie is my favorite. Again, apple pie is my favorite. We're going home after the class. Again, we're going home after the class. I'm asking you to join my party. Again, I'm asking you to join my party. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound eh. Repeat after me. Ah. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.